What is effective continuous improvement? Really, this concept is very intuitive. If you think about a sports team, for example, that's something that they starting in 3, 2, 1. What is effective continuous improvement? If you think about a sports team, that's a great example of a field where people want to continuously improve. They want to improve the amount of weight they lift, or the distance they can run, or some other athletic performance metric. It's the same way with your source code or your cloud-based project, is you always want to think about, what can I do to make it better? How can I make things more visible? How can I increase the reliability? And a lot of the projects that I've been in my career have not done that. And that's been one of the reasons they failed. And then I had to go in and working with other people, go through and fix it. Now, I'll give you an example. There's a game company that I worked at once where there was a project when I first got there that had already been worked on for about a year. It had been rewritten several times, in fact. And when I got to really the first beginning of the project and got acquainted with it, I checked out the source code, looked at how to run it on my laptop. It took about a week to run it, and then it locked up my entire laptop. And I realized that there was a big problem with this particular methodology. And so what we had to do was go through and identify how we could systematically make things better, not fixing everything at once, but piece by piece, finding the bugs, going through, making it continuously tested, continuously improved. And this process is how I fixed a lot of problems, including that particular problem. So really, in a nutshell, continuous improvement is a daily choice that your team, your company can make. And it's something that you can start immediately, in fact. And a lot of times the reason why there's a failure is there isn't a daily process of continuously trying to do just a little bit at a time to fix a problem so that you can get to the root cause and ultimately have a reliable product. Now, even when you do all those things, it's important to know that while you can continuously improve, you can also continuously degrade. And so even if you do have an incredible project where you did everything right, if you don't on a daily basis also try to make things better, it's also going to be an issue. And there's an expression that says you're either getting better or you're getting worse. And if you don't know which one, you're probably getting worse. And that's, I think a lot of football teams say those types of expressions, but it's really true with software. You need to be making improvements on a daily basis.